Hey, do you have soft spots going around behind your trim or your siding on your house? That's not just old paint, okay? That's water finding a way in, and what it wrecks behind the surface is way worse than what you see. Welcome to House Money. This is your Monday tip to help you save more and spend smarter as a homeowner. Okay, so today we're talking about rotten trim and rotten siding. Okay, this is the stuff that you see on the side of your house. You think it's just soft and it's not really a big deal. This is what happens. It starts small, a little softness, a little peeling paint, but once water gets inside, it doesn't stop, right? Behind the scenes, it spreads into the sheathing, the framing, even the insulation, right? And by the time you see the real damage, okay, you're writing a much, much bigger check than you otherwise would have been. Right. So replacing a few feet of trim or clapboard now might cost you a couple few $100, right? Waiting too long, and you're looking at thousands in siding, framing, and mold remediation. Okay, so focus on windows, focus on doors, focus on corners of the house and low spots. These are your weakest links because that's what gets the most moisture, right? Touch it. If it gives it all, replace it. Small job now, major problems avoided in the future. Okay, so that's house money. See you next Monday.